Wolves position just inside their 18-yard box. Leighton Baines swings it in, and it'll fall here for Richarlison. What a debut! A goal inside 17 minutes in the blue jersey of Everton. Dreams are made of this. Celebrations for Richarlison in front of the jubilant Evertonians. The Brazilian puts Everton in front. Jagielka almost caught. And the referee is given a free kick here. And a red card. Surely not. Jagielka looks aghast. He lost control of the ball and put an outstretched boot, which the referee, Craig Pawson, has obviously deemed as a raised boot with studs showing. Is that really a red card offence? Studies this carefully and scores brilliantly. Jordan Pickford got across but could not keep it out. A very well struck free kick from the Wolverhampton Wanderers hero. Cenk Tossen's done well to win it back. He'll get a crack at goal, and he forces the save from Patricio. Flag stays down. Raul Jimenez, brilliantly saved by Pickford. Good football that for Richarlison. Brilliantly done. What a fantastic finish. Well, that's why Everton paid the bucks. The Brazilian brilliantly dazzles at Molineux. He picked his spot all right. Richarlison is having one of those days that he will never forget. Picking that up from Cenk Tossen and curling it beyond Patricio. It's a Brazilian beauty. Everton positioning themselves for a ball into the penalty area. It will come from Neves on towards Jimenez. They're level.